welcome to another video. I am so happy to be back. My little boy has been asking me to do a video with him, and I thought this would be the perfect video because he has been showing some interest in helping out around the house and doing some chores. I wanted to jump on the opportunity and work with him on making his own bed. So we started with one sheet at a time, and I was showing him how to take one corner and pull up to the top of the bed and trying to get out all the wrinkles that we can so our bed would lay flat. Then we'd make a game to race to the top of the bed with the blankets and make it fun. So that's what I started with, and he seemed to really have a good time with that. One of the best things is just to get your little one to watch you and be involved with it. Even if they're not old enough to help, just standing in there watching what you're doing and how you're doing it. Every child matures at a different age, and if they feel like they're important and part of the whole game and process of making their bed, they're going to have so much more fun with it, and making it fun is the biggest key to success. 1, 2, 3. Another great idea to get your toddler interested is to let them pick out a comforter or quilt that they really like, just to get them more interested, because if they feel like it's theirs, they're going to want to take more pride in it and enjoy helping with their own room. So I took my little boy a few days ago and let him pick one out online. We should be receiving that in the next week or so, and then we'll put that on his bed, and he's really, really excited to get it. I hope this was interesting or helpful in some way, and we love you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.
Hi! Thanks for watching